gonna be the full video of the Harbor Breeze Celtic River ceiling fan. And now we're on high, so go ahead and put low. Not low, medium.
The results were easy to understand, and I felt confident taking on a 2-part elimination diet. I still love Janice, and now so do my neighbors.
Medium.
The network that brought you flowers in the attic. Dawn, your parents kidnapped you.
Low feet.
The twisted
We're
road
going
that
to
feeds
look
the
at TV
edge.
that way. It's not.
A new life.
There you go. Spin down. So this is the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Celtic River. This is not the ones we have at the other house. Just wait for it to spin down. It's light, by the way. It's got two switches, one switch for the light and the other for the fan. We wait for it to spin down. It's kind of wild to spin down. It's like one of the longest spin down fans. We must get really good burns for being in this house for a long time. This thing is slow. See this long spin down. So I'm not gonna have you wait here, so I'm gonna put a cut here and then we'll do it 0 to high. Alright? Now 0 to high. Thanks for watching.